Yeah, what's up, guys? If you have been mining this YesCoin since all this while, then it is right time for you to link your BitGet wallet into this YesCoin application right on Telegram. And if you are here to start mining this YesCoin, then it's never too late because the launching date has not yet been announced. And I can assure you that you can still accumulate as much as you can for yourself. So if you are just new to this year's coin, I will leave a link for you in the comment section below or in the description of this video. All you have to do is to click on it and then get started. So for you to link your wallet into this application, all you have to do is to click on that end button down there, and under this end section, you will see a place where it say connect your BitGet and get 500,000 years token. So all you want to do is to click on that. So click on that and then it will prompt you to open your BitGet application. And then if you don't have BitGet wallet installed on your phone, all you want to do is to go to your Play Store and download BitGet wallet for yourself. Then I already have it installed on my phone. So all I want to do right now is to just open it. But then before I open it using this link right here, I will want to walk you through the process on how you can just create a wallet on this BitGet application. So here is my BitGet wallet, and if you are just opening this for the first time, it will prompt you to create a new wallet for yourself. So now, but because I have already opened it before, I have a wallet here. So I will just click on add a new wallet down here, and we can just be on the same page like this. But if you already know your way around this, then you can just go ahead to connect your wallet. So I'll be going with 12 words, and I will input my security passcode. Then you can see we are creating your wallet, fetching your data, and then your wallet is now ready. So with just a click, then this BitGet creates a new wallet for me. So all I have to do right now is to just click on got it, and then my wallet has been successfully created. So the next thing you want to do after the creation of this wallet is you want to back your wallet. You want to back your secret phrase. Remember, this is not non-custodial wallet, and all you have to do to get access to this wallet is this secret phrase. Now I'm showing you this secret phrase because I'm not going to be using this wallet for anything. It's just for tutorial sake, and I might delete it. I will be deleting this after this video. So this wallet is as useless as anything. But in your own case, never reveal your secret phrase or private key to anybody, even to your closest friends. So this is supposed to be private to you and only you. And after the backup, then you are good to go. So in my own case, I will just be switching back to my main wallet, which I'll be using for the connection of this YesCoin. So right now, what we want to do is to go back to our Telegram application to continue the process of the connection. So coming back to our YesCoin on Telegram, I will just cancel all this to start afresh. So right here, we just have to click on connect your BitGet wallet, and it will prompt us to open BitGet application, which will be doing that. And then we just have to approve this connection. So down here, you just have to click on the approve, and then just wait for some seconds for this to authorize the connection. So now we have two options: return to website or stay in wallet. But right now I will be staying in wallet, and that's the reason for that is because I want to show you how you can know if your wallet has been connected successfully. So in order for you to know if your Yes wallet has been linked, if your Yes application has been linked, all you have to do is to click on that chain button up there, and here you will see the list of applications you have connected with this wallet. So as you can see right here, connected website is Cartizen and YesCoin. So in your own case, you might want to create a separate wallet for this, but right now I will just leave everything the way it is now. So after when we confirm that our wallet has been connected to the Yes application, all we want to do is to head over back to the Telegram application to see if we have actually claimed our bonus. As you can see, wallet connected, you got the reward. So it means that we have earned additional 500,000 Yes token for ourselves. So all you want to do is to make sure to perform all these tasks to earn more points for yourself. So that's how you connect your Yes coin into the BitGet wallet application, and it's as easy as that. So if you get any value from this video, don't forget to like this video, share it for more tappers to see, and of course follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.